I'm not sure what's up in the market at the moment with the British vendors selling properties in France. There seems to be a mad rush of these vendors all wanting to negotiate agency fees down, but from day one, before they even put the property on the books. And all of this on the pretext that the fees are cheaper in the UK. But I'm going to give you 5 reasons why it's not necessarily a good idea to negotiate the agency fees down when you're putting your property on the market. But before we do that, let's clarify a few facts. Well, yes, fees are cheaper in the UK, there's no arguing it. Average fees in the UK are 2%, average fees in France are 6%. But it's a totally different system. In the UK, anyone can become an estate agent overnight. Not in France, you have to get licensed. In the UK, agents just take care of advertising. Not in France. In France, registered estate agents are officially considered legal advisors as well. And for that, we have to have the necessary guarantees. In the UK, the average house price is €330,000 for 77 metres square. The same size house in France, on average, is selling about €140,000. So like 2.5 times cheaper. So there is a basic logic which says we'd have to sell 2.5 times more property to make the same income. And while we're on the subject of income, let's talk about social charges. In the UK, we're on about 24% social charges, I do believe. In France, it's 42%. So just doing some basic maths, we'd have to charge 3 times more than the UK to make the same income. Oh yeah, we are. Anyhow, that is not why we're here. We are here to help you understand why negotiating the agency fees when you put your property on the books isn't necessarily a good thing. And here are the 5 main reasons. Reason number 1, this one isn't rocket science, it's just human nature. The agent or agency will be earning less commission. Bet you didn't work that one out. But if they're earning less, they are less motivated to sell your property. And what happens, for example, if the agent has a client looking for a property who's interested in 2 houses, your house at the reduced fees and another house at the normal fees? Well, that agent is going to push the client towards one with the normal fees. Human nature. And that obviously reduces your chance of selling. Reason number 2. Lots of agents these days will actually network with other agents and agencies to find buyers and find properties. This works on a commission split basis. So if they have a house where you have already negotiated the agency fees when you put it on the market with them, they're already earning less. They will not be open to the idea of then splitting that again with another agent, thus cutting down your chances to sell. Reason number 3. In France, a large majority of the agents you will meet will be either commercial agents or what we call mandataires. And the actual mandataires, they pay for their advertising. They also pay for the extra services, let's say, i.e. if they want to get someone out to do drone shots, if they want to get someone out to do proper photos, if they want to get someone out to do a virtual tour. This means extra cost to them. So if you're starting off by cutting back on their commission, well, obviously they're less motivated once again to paying for those extra options, and so decreasing your visibility. Reason number 4. Quite often when you're putting your house on the market with other agencies, it's because you've already chosen one agent before, and you chose him because he had cheap fees. The fact is, you are putting it on the books of other agents because he hasn't sold it. One of the reasons probably he hasn't sold it is because he has the cheap fees. He can't do the same advertising as the more expensive ones can do. But that's by the by. If you go with an agency which charges cheaper fees, they quite often have cheaper properties. Because they have cheaper properties and cheaper fees, they tend to also attract clients with tighter budgets. So if you've got a nice house, you'll probably be open to more negotiation from that actual agency. Which leads me on to reason number 5. If you sign up with an agency because it has cheaper fees, then that's all well and good. But if those agencies then have to sell your house 20,000 euros cheaper to get you a deal, then they are in fact not saving you any money at all. There is also another point. It's not really a reason, but it's well worth mentioning. The fact is, as I mentioned earlier, the agents in France are legal advisors. In the French real estate law and in the code of good conduct between agents, it is stipulated that any agent has to stick to their fee chart, or within reason, let's say. It's more adjusting the price as opposed to dropping the fees. Adjusting it so it makes a nice round figure at the end, for example, for the whole price, not just the fees, that is. If they go in straight from the beginning and are actually negotiating their fees down, means they are actually flouting the French law. Legal advisors are flouting the French law from the offset. What will they be doing further down your sales process? Me personally, if I was looking for legal advice, I wouldn't start working with someone who's from the day one is actually breaking the law. Don't know about you. And there is also one thing to remember as well. Well, there's actually two things. The first thing is, whatever the arguments are, one thing which surprises me that vendors are negotiating the fees is actually, however it's written down on paper, however you work it, it's the buyer pays the fees anyhow. So let the agencies negotiate with the buyers where it's legally done. Don't start at the beginning. And to finish off, as that wise estate agent said, yes, there are some wise estate agents, okay, there's not that many out there, but there are a few, said, an agent isn't a cost, an agent is an investment, and you get what you pay for. So there you go. I hope you found this helpful, even if you don't actually like what you're hearing. If you do, and if you don't even, click the old like, subscribe and bell button down there for me. Speak soon. Bye.